Portable air conditioners. Portable air conditioners offer flexible cooling solutions, with both traditional, tube-based, and tubeless options available. Tubeless models utilize evaporation or gas compression, collecting condensed moisture in an internal reservoir. Evaporative coolers provide additional functionalities like air purification and humidification. Considerations when buying an air conditioner. Room size. BTU capacity. Considerations. Portable units may have limitations in extremely hot climates or large spaces. Energy consumption and noise levels should be factored into purchasing decisions.